Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox this Helsmiths of Hashut army set. So first a look here at the front of the box. Some mean looking guys. Nice artwork here. And of course the back. Looking pretty awesome. Well, let's have a look inside. First a divider here. And let's get straight to the sprues. So this must be the boss. And part of the big guns here. The cannon. Well, that was the first sprue. Then we've got some warriors here. And it looks as if you've got some weapon choices here, either spear or some swords. And I guess a banner bearer also. And some more warriors. And once again, you get the choice to build either the spear models or the ones with swords. There's some great looking models here, and let's have a clearer view of some of the heads. Looking great. Now for the dreadnought looking guy here. But not too many models in this box. So it should be fairly quick to at least assemble, but yeah. And another divider. And let's just take a transfer sheet first. And I guess you can use these decals for this box or other ones if you want to. The choice is yours. And we've got got some bases here for our warriors and for the boss, I think. And for the big, maybe the gun or the dreadnought, or at least two fairly big bases here. And let's have a look inside this little box. We've got an army book. Let's just have a quick glance through here. Painting guides. Some nice artwork. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And you've got one assembly guide here. Let's go through that one. We've got these spaces inside and all these sprues. Nice to see 1-to-1 scale what that looks like. And again, you've got the option between spears or sword. And you have got the choice between these two. I guess a melee specialist and a ranged weapon specialist down here. And some great colors here. Yeah, that's looking good. I think I'll go for this one. Although the other one looks great too. And the ones with blades and the ones with spears. And you get to pick the ones you like for the models you like here. They look really nice, I must say. And the artillery piece. So the Bombarder rocket battery. And the metal colors look great on these. Well, assembly guide, and now for the rest. Just to look through some cards here. Just one side, two sides here. Let's just look through these. How they look. Well, that was it for this box. I'll just pause it for a minute here and put everything together so you can see the content of the box. So yeah, you've got 5 different sprues, 2 here, 2 over there, and 1 for the bus. You've got your cards, transfer sheet, and you've got your assembly guide and the booklet, and of course the box, if you and the bases, of course. But yeah, that was it for this box. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.